Vanilla cupcakes are a classic treat. They are simple to make and perfect for any occasion. The smell of vanilla fills the kitchen, and it is a delight to bake and share these treats. Vanilla cupcakes are a blank canvas. You can decorate them in many ways. Try different frostings and toppings. Each bite is a small bit of happiness. Let's bake! Flour gives structure to the cupcakes. Use all-purpose flour for best results. Sugar adds sweetness and helps with browning. Granulated sugar is the most common choice. Eggs bind the ingredients and add richness. Use large eggs at room temperature. Butter makes the cupcakes tender and flavorful. Use unsalted butter for better control of the saltiness. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Line a muffin tin with paper liners. In a bowl, cream together butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time. In another bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Stir in vanilla extract. Fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean. Let the cupcakes cool completely before frosting. You can use milk or buttermilk. Buttermilk will make the cupcakes extra moist. Store cupcakes in an airtight container. They will stay fresh at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. Now you can enjoy your delightful vanilla cupcakes.